What if you could own an entire floor directly opposite Manly Beach with over 600 square metres of absolute oceanfront luxury? This is Sydney's most coveted beachfront penthouse, a true estate in the sky. Crowning the prestigious boutique complex Walia, this whole floor residence commands a front row position to the golden sweep of Manly Beach. It's not just rare, it's once in a generation. Occupying an astonishing 606 square metres of indoor and outdoor living, all on one level, the scale here is extraordinary. A 30-metre frontage faces the Pacific Ocean, while walls of floor-to-ceiling glass dissolve the line between inside and out, framing uninterrupted panoramas from sunrise to horizon. With soaring 2.7-metre ceilings, a house-sized foyer, gallery-style hallways and expansive art walls, this home delivers the presence and proportion of a standalone residence. Elevated above one of Australia's most iconic beaches, the vast open-plan living and dining zones spill onto a spectacular wraparound beachfront terrace. Two electronic Vergolas create all-season entertaining spaces, while a private jacuzzi and outdoor shower complete this oceanfront sanctuary. At the heart of the home, a showpiece chef's kitchen features premium Bosch appliances, a statement Caesarstone island and custom cabinetry, all complemented by a bespoke bar with twin Vintec wine fridges. Whether hosting intimate dinners or large-scale celebrations, this is entertaining without compromise. Accommodation is privately zoned and luxuriously appointed. Each bedroom enjoys its own designer ensuite with natural stone finishes, underfloor heating, heated towel rails, custom robes, and direct outdoor access, creating 5-star retreat-style living. A dedicated home office offers flexibility as a 5th bedroom, while no common walls ensure complete privacy for all. With exclusive lift to foyer access, 5-car secure garaging, substantial storage, and resort-style facilities including a heated pool and spa, every detail has been meticulously considered. Step outside and your moments to Queenscliff Beach, ocean baths, beachfront cafes, and the vibrant heart of Manly with its celebrated dining, boutiques, and ferry connections to the CBD. This is not simply a penthouse. It's a world-class beachfront residence, setting a new benchmark for luxury living in Australia.